Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a super fast and easy Halloween themed cake. Let's get started.
This is my homemade funfetti cake and vegan American buttercream. I frosted the cake with a thin coat of frosting first. And went back over it with a bit more to try and cover the cake completely. Then I chilled it and finished frosting it completely. Then I piped a simple shell border along the bottom of the cake. This is a 3-pointed star tip. Then I piped a quick loop border around the top of the cake. I filled the middle part with black and orange sprinkles and spread them around. Now the rest of the decorations consist of Halloween-themed sprinkles. I started with jack-o'-lanterns around the bottom of the cake. Then I pressed bats into the piping around the top edge. These are really hard to see, but they're skull-shaped sprinkles. I put them along the inside edge of the piping around the top. I also included some bone-shaped sprinkles on the piping as well. Then I pressed some green spider-shaped sprinkles around the middle of the cake. And finally, I added some ghost-shaped sprinkles standing up in the border around the top. I think this cake is super fun, very quick and easy. Anyone can make it, and it's perfect for a children's Halloween party. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Ring the bell so you don't miss our future videos.